Hello great student, welcome back to the video with me Rahma Hanifa. So today related to our science class about soil, we will conduct the experiment about soil erosion. The amazing plant. How the plant preventing soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? How to prevent soil erosion? Can plant help to prevent soil erosion? All these questions can be answered by conducting the experiment. So, without any further ado, let's start.
The objective of this experiment is, after conducting the experiment, you are able to explain the role of plant in preventing soil erosion. Also, explain how the plant preventing soil erosion. But before conducting the experiment, let's watch the video about soil erosion. From the video, please answer this question. 1. What did you know about soil erosion? 2. Could you mention the activities that can help to prevent soil erosion? Please write down your answer on your worksheet. After that, let's prepare the tools and materials for conducting the experiment. What we need is soil, plants or grass and 2 plastic bottles, 2 plastic cups and measuring cup, rubber and scissors. After preparing all tools and materials, let's do the procedure.
Before conducting the experiment, what should you do first? Yes, prepare all materials and apparatuses. After that, what should you do to the plastic bottle if you won't put the soil in it?
Prepare 2 plastic bottles, cut in half on the side.
After the bottle have been prepared, what should you do with the soil?
Fill the 2 bottles that have been cut with soil.
To differentiate the 2 bottles, what you should do with the plant?
Fill one of the bottle with grass or other plant.
After that, what should you do with this container cup?
Attach the container to the bottle that has been filled with soil using rubber.
So, how are you going to place the bottle so when you pour the water, it can flow?
Place the bottle on a board with a certain slope.
To prove the rule of plant in soil erosion, what should you do with the water?
Flush bottles using 100 ml of water. Try to keep the water flowing fast, not slowly. What should you do to compare the volume of water? Capture and measure the water that comes out of the containers. After everything is in order, what should you do? Observe the condition of water.
After conducting the experiment, you got the result right? Please fill the table on your worksheet based on that result.
Is about the volume of water. The water from soil with plants has the volume around 30 milliliter. The water from soil only has volume around 80 milliliter. The next is about the clarity or color of water. The water from soil only has the darker color. And the last is about the amount of soil. The water from soil only has more soil dissolved in water.
Now, let's discuss about the result together. Don't forget to write your answer on your worksheet. First, how about the condition of clarity or color of water in container from soil only and from soil with plant?
The water from bottles without plants has a darker color, while the water from bottles painted with plants has a lighter color.
And which one from the two bottles that can absorb or hold more water?
Bottles filled with soil that can absorb more water is bottle with plants.
Which one from the two containers that filled with more soil?
More soil dissolved in water from bottle without plants.
Can you identify what was in the bottle with soil and plants so this result can occur in the experiment? And what is the function of it?
In a bottle filled with soil and plants, there are roots, which are part of the plants that is attached to the soil. Roots have two major functions. There are for the absorption of water and for the anchoring of the plant to its substrate.
So, we go jump to the conclusion. Based on the experiment you have conducted, please explain what is the important role of plant in preventing soil erosion. Please write down your answer in the worksheet. So plants have a role in preventing erosion because plants have roots, the root system that can help to hold soil and keep it clumped together. Plants also have absorbed some of the water in the soil. This effect makes it harder for water to wash the soil away. The ability at the roots of plants causes plants to have a role in preventing soil erosion. And the last one, don't forget to list the references that you use on the worksheet. Finally, after conducting the experiment, we can answer the question. Plants can help in preventing soil erosion, so don't forget to plant many trees in your environment so it keeps green. So, enough for today's experiment. Let's meet in the other topic in science class. Thank you for watching and see you!